Alright, welcome back to another pedestrian button video. This one over here's got a replaced Polara Bulldog button there. Walk sign just turned on. There's that button. We're just gonna do a little walk. Watch the walk sign go off. I hear a mourning dove. This is one of the last of its kind in the Oro Valley area that would still exist. Oh, the walk sign just went on again. That's why it's doing it. Probably should not push that button just yet. There it goes. There it goes. Turn yellow and the walk sign will come on. There we go. Hey, you have a good day. Still got 32 seconds. There's a lot of noises back there. There's nothing happening. 5 seconds now. "19 seconds again." Well, that concludes this pedestrian button video. That's it.